Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's adventure is taking us to Point Pelee National Park and I'm looking forward to all that we could discover on this beautiful day. See you guys soon. Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Just one, please.
What's on your hat?
It's like a GoPro, but just a small version.
Oh, so it's $9. Is it voice activated?
It is. Yeah. I can't use my hand to record when I'm driving, so I just kind of... Do you have a map by chance?
Yeah.
Sorry. Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too. Can't record while I'm driving? Bro, I'm so excited. Guys. Point Pelee! Baby! We are here at the National Park and I am about to take a tour. Now, originally I wanted to do Whitley Provincial Park, which is approximately 10 minutes away from here. What I didn't know is that the National Park had so much things to do, a lot of trails, other things like beaches, and this could potentially just be the solo video that I can do today. I'm going to the visitor center. It's like I'm parked right outside of the visitor center and I'm ready to take you guys with me. See you guys. This behind me is the train that will take us to the tip, the most southern part of Ontario or of Canada, and I'm looking forward to it. I am so excited. We are going to the most southern tip of Canada. And this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. Yo, I had to take my shoes off. And the sand is not that nice on my feet, but damn, bro, look at this shit. That's a tip. That's a tip. Oh no. Oh, it's a time. What a time. y'all want to see the view from up here, watch someone else's channel, because it's not going to be me. I just finished walking to the tip and now I'm back in my car in the parking lot. I am trying to figure out where exactly I want to go and access the bike trail, because you can bike from the tip really to the entrance exit of the park, which it's a bit of a drive to get down here, so I would even be entertaining the idea of doing that. But this and our tram driver, her name was Mary, such a lovely lady, and she was explaining that at some point when the waves are very high, the tip and the waves are overlapping each other, so the waves are joining each other, so there technically isn't a tip. And she's like, that would be a very good experience to see it, but then it would take away from the experience of going to the tip. But this is where we started. Came to the visitor center. I took a train or a tram from here to the point, and then we walked from the parking lot to the tip. Now I'm here to go get a bike ride, and I may come back up here for the boardwalk, probably, may or may not, but I'm indecisive today, guys. So this is a trail that I'm gonna take a bike ride. Does look like it has a loop. In fact, it did say so. See what it takes us, or where it takes us. Oh, all right. Well, let's see, guys. I did this much riding. This much riding. Outside too hot. Outside is way too hot. I know I'm Jamaican, but whew, it's when I have a choice, I'll stay out of the sun and the heat. And today I have a choice. I'm gonna attempt the boardwalk. Maybe I should have started the day with that when it was a little bit cooler. I'm gonna attempt the boardwalk and see if I can do it. It's really hot. It's really hot out here. Maybe I should have taken a bottle of water with me.